I think it would be helpful for you to explain to people what the publishing options are and then like what the differences are between options like self-publishing, traditional publishing, hybrid, all of that.
Traditional publishing is what people mostly know about book publishing. You would need to create a book proposal and you would need to have a pretty thriving platform. Then you would need an agent. They're the ones that are going to go and knock on the doors of all the publishers. Hybrid publishing, they acquire more based on content, less about platform. Beyond hybrid publishing, there's self-publishing, and that is the you, and you model. To make a really professional product, you will need to hire an editor and a designer and all of those things because you want it to look substantial and be competitive in the market. You just need to know that you're going to invest in some support from editorial and design to make sure you get it out there.